Our department is very, very diverse. It would have been easy for me to go to NDSU. I would have fallen right into their range program or the natural resources program, but we're so diverse here. Our department works with molecular and genetics and ecosystems and large animal movement to small animal movement.
Their range of experience is just amazing. They're all very approachable. A lot of them have open door policies. I've had a chance to work with everyone from the Parasitology department over to the geography department.
I have so many resources on campus that I can reach out to and get help with, and I have. And I think that's something I really appreciate, is that there's always someone there, and if they can't help you, they know someone who can help you. That's what I really enjoyed about UND.
One of the things I've wanted to do was track small mammal movement, which means I'm going to place radio collars on the small mammals. But to do this, I'm going to need to have information on geographic information systems. You know, how are they interacting with the landscape at very fine levels? So I need to pull from that expertise. And then additionally, the technology departments here have been helping me fine-tune some of my code for radio waves, something that I'm not 100% comfortable with, but I'm able to approach them and ask them for assistance.
I took 5 years off between my undergrad and coming back to do my master's degree. And the classroom is great. It gives you a baseline setting. We can talk about ecosystem development and the ecosystem services and just how things work in theory until you get out in the system itself. I've been privileged to work across the country, but every system I get to is different. My 3 field stations are very different. I can come here and I can look at the vegetation and okay, my textbook knowledge, okay, well I understand that this is how the process in theory should work, but we get out and we apply that management, and then I go to another field station and it's a completely different ballgame.
It really gives me, and anyone I guess who is a master's student, a chance to put their thoughts to the test. And yeah, there's definitely some things I would way do different looking back now that I'm at the tail end of my degree. But that's an experience that you can't learn.
Look at UND closely, because they have so much amazing research going on that I'm sure if you look a little bit, you're going to find the niche that will fit you.